Arena Study Foundation.
Hello, Arenians. Welcome back to Arena Study Foundation. Today, we're going to learn about Kali Linux, an operating system that hackers and cybersecurity experts use every day. Kali Linux is an operating system just like Windows and Mac OS. But here's the difference. Windows is built for everyday tasks like browsing, playing music, or writing documents. Kali is built for hacking and security testing. When you install Kali Linux, it comes with more than 600 tools already inside. These tools allow you to scan networks. For example, checking which devices are connected to your Wi-Fi. Test passwords, seeing if a password is strong or weak. Find vulnerabilities, spotting holes in websites or apps that hackers could break through. Investigate cyber attacks, tracing what happened after a system was hacked. So, instead of downloading these tools one by one, Kali Linux gives you all of them in one package. Now, why do hackers prefer Kali Linux? Let's break it down. 1. It's free and open source. That means anyone, anywhere can download and use it without paying money. Hackers love that because they don't have to buy expensive software. 2. It's portable. Kali Linux can run on a normal laptop, on a USB stick you plug into any computer, or even inside the cloud. 3. It's all in one. Imagine a toolbox that already has every screwdriver, hammer, and wrench you need. That's what Kali Linux is, a complete hacking toolbox ready to use. 4. It's trusted worldwide. Kali isn't just for criminals. Ethical hackers, security experts, and even governments use it for testing and protecting systems. Remember this, Kali Linux itself is not illegal. It depends on how it is used. Ethical hackers use Kali to protect companies. For example, they might test a bank's system to make sure criminals can't break in. Criminal hackers use Kali to attack and steal information. So the difference isn't the tool, it's the intention of the person using it. In simple terms, Kali Linux is a powerful operating system designed for hacking and cybersecurity. Hackers use it because it's free, portable, comes with all the tools, and is trusted worldwide. Here at Arena Study Foundation, we study Kali Linux not to attack, but to understand how hacking works and to defend against it. Stay focused and see you in the next lesson.
Arena Study Foundation.